Kim with Memories Cast Love. If you like what you see, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. Once we have 100 subscribers, I'll have a Dollar Tree giveaway. I really hope you enjoy this craft. So let's get started. Okay, the supplies you will need for this project are assorted gift boxes, just of different sizes. I picked 3 assorted gift bags to fit on each of the gift boxes. We'll be cutting them down to size though. Then also some floral foam blocks. Then some heart picks. Also a package of the iridescent shreds. And some type of adhesive. I picked an adhesive spray. And then additional supplies would be a paper cutter, a mat to use underneath if you're using the adhesive spray, and also a pair of scissors. Okay, first I'm going to make the gift bags. I'm using gift bags for the boxes, but I'm also filling gift bags. So you can either take the gift bag and fill it all with the shreds, but I'm trying to save on the shreds. So I have the floral foams. These are the small bags, and I'm just sticking a foam block in each bag. These are pretty simple. I just want something besides gift boxes under my tree. And it doesn't matter what colors these are. I noticed these ones are darker, and I had a light one too, but it doesn't matter. Okay, and once they're in there, you are just going to take some of the shreds and shove them in there. And just kind of make it so they stick somewhat out there. So that way, it's just kind of like this. This side gets better. Oops. Dangle it down a little bit, and then you're just going to take the hearts, and then you're just going to poke a couple in here, and you can make them whatever size you want. So I stuck one kind of out a little bit, and one in a little bit. Like I said, this one I'm going to try and poke. Oh, that's a lot easier. Okay, so oh wow, lots easier. I want that one down so far. So I'm going to put just a little bit more. And that one. So you'll want to put the shreds in afterwards, because man, did that make a difference. I'm going to just stick some. Wow, then you don't even need as much shreds. And then a little bit on the opposite side, like so. I put just a little bit more. And there we go. That was one's easier. Okay, next we're going to do the gift boxes. So I have out the big gift boxes, and they are 14¼ by 9 and about a half. So I'm just going to see how well, so almost all fits on there. I'm just leaving it in the middle here. So I will just want to cut off the top and the bottom and then along the sides. Let's start on this side. And we just want that tiny bit. And of course I forgot to take out the inside is, there's the side, which that one did have a heart side there. Okay, inside is the stiff cardboard. So let's see if this one comes out here. Okay, because it does make it a lot harder. And we don't need the bottom, so that's fine. It ripped the bottom off. And now it should cut a little easier. So still a little bit more, but I'm still gonna just cut off. Okay, yeah, a lot easier. Okay, let's go ahead and take off the side. Okay, I'm gonna cut as close as to the crease as I can, so I don't lose a lot of bag. There we go. Okay, now for this, I go ahead and take off the ribbon, and that way I can use it maybe for a different project. Let me just poke it through. Okay, and then there it is. Okay, now when I lift this up, there's another hard piece in there. Okay, and then for this, you can rip off that perfect. Oh goodness, usually these aren't so tough. Okay, and then we're going to cut where the holes are, because you don't want the holes there. And again, just get it as close as possible. That's pretty good. Okay, I'm going to set these over here, and then middle as my backing. Okay, let's see how well this works. Okay, I'm just going to turn it. Just make sure you have the corners there. Okay, and then doesn't have to be completely perfect. And then I'm just going to press this down, and of course there it's coming up. And I have a scraper here, so we're gonna try and do this once and see. Maybe I put just a little bit too much on there. Light that up right away. So there's it's starting to dry. It's doing a little bit better there. Make sure I don't have any on my table. Okay. That's what that one looks like. It's not terrible. So let's try one with just the, well, first we gotta cut it, but just the double-sided tape. So here's that one. What is turning out pretty decent. I do have a crease there. It didn't go out very good. So let's go to the next one. Okay, let's see how close we have. Oh, that one actually fits on there. Okay. So let's grab the double-sided, and even if you have the little photo stickers, you could do that too. So I'm just going to put some around the edges, and then maybe a couple on the long side. This is probably easier than the adhesive spray, but the adhesive spray actually looks like it's tacked down there pretty good. Okay, so it doesn't matter which way, so just kind of get it somewhat in the middle. No one's going to be dissecting your work. And then just press. And yes, that was a lot easier, didn't take as much time. Still looks good. So I think I'm going to do the tape on the rest of them. Okay, so here's what the large ones look like. And again, I like how this one turned out, except for it kind of is fraying up at the corners. So the double-sided tape works just fine. And just remember, you don't have to do the backs of these, because these are going to be underneath the Valentine's tree, just as gift boxes. Okay, and here they are all finished. What I did was, with the larger ones, that was the larger one, and then I took the back side that had the creases and I cut out the crease parts, and then I have that one, and then this one, the Happy Valentine's Day with the gold, then this one doesn't have the glitter on it. That way I'm not wasting any of the bag. And then here's the glitter of the hearts, and here was the back of the card, or not the card, the gift bag there. And then here is the smaller gift bag, and then I cut out a smaller piece just kind of to give it a different consistency. And there's that one. And then this one I did the upright. And then all we're going to do with all the gift boxes is just put them together. Nothing special. Might have to take a little bit of tape and take the sides. Just so it stays. So that way once you put that on, and there's your gift boxes. Why do I keep saying gift boxes? And then on like these, if you wanted to put a bow or something like that, you could do that for underneath the tree. And then I'll do these. Again, just open up. Put a little bit of tape just to keep them intact. Okay, and then we will put the hearts. There, and then there's our other gift box. And then just continue doing that with all of them. Tape, then put them together.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you got some inspiration. Click on the Show More below to find out more about the items I used today. And we'll see you next time. And remember to make some loving memories today.